Okay, we're at the Airbnb. Ooh, I can't show you all the code though. Hey, look, there's Kevin.
Hey, what's up, man?
Tennessee Picker. What's up, dude? What you got? You got your GoPro right there?
Yep. Come on.
There we go.
Yep.
Ooh, we're in. This looks like some of my handiwork here. Some of my electrical work I would do.
Oh, look at his office. Here's YouTube Central.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, this is nice, huh?
Yeah.
Look at all the windows in the room, too. Very nice.
Look, we got a desk there, and then you can put two chairs here.
There we go. There's our studio.
Yeah.
This is a big house.
Yeah.
Look, what is this? It's another big room. Look, this house is huge.
Oh my gosh.
Check out these shirts that Kevin had made. Look at this. Tennessee Highway 70 Interstate 70 yard sale 2019. It's dated.
Look.
And look, we have special ones
LSU colors.
with LSU colors. And this one, this is mine here. These are awesome, dude.
Kevin has.
That's the balls.
That's right.
And then John hasn't seen these yet.
Yeah.
Nope.
But these are for John and Whitney. Look, Cincinnati Reds colors. It's gonna match his hat. And then he has a bunch that you're gonna give out to the people that go to the meetup, right?
Right. Yep.
Man, that is cool, dude. That was so nice.
Don't load this before dinner, so it'll be a surprise for everybody.
Oh, it won't. It'll be up till tomorrow. I already uploaded for today.
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, y'all. It's Friday morning, and look, we've got Kevin Tennessee Picker here, and here's John. John made it in, and here's Darcy. Good morning, Darcy. Bye, Darcy. Look, we're such nerds. We're all getting our GoPro Hero 7s together. We all have pretty much the same setup. John, how many batteries you got? That's all batteries here, huh?
Probably 6.
Yeah.
They die about every 30 minutes.
Yeah, no kidding, huh?
You gotta get a lot.
At best. Little handheld thing?
Yeah,
Little
it's like
tripod?
out of the garage sale. I don't know.
Well, you have another one too, don't you?
Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah, so we're all have our black backpacks and our black Hero 7 blacks. And it is ready. Getting ready to go. The weather is pretty bad, like 100% chance of rain. So we're gonna get wet out there. On our way to the first sale. Kevin's driving. We're in his truck. It's pretty comfy back here.
Yep.
Me and Candace are back here in the back seat. Don't look back here, boys.
This is the lover's bench.
I'm just driving.
There's John Cincinnati Picker. There's En Route. Whoa! This guy's
Mom,
crazy.
get off me.
This guy's crazy. That was Kevin's fault. It wasn't me. But no, we got some stuff plugged into En Route, but we'll also be catching signs along the way too. Good morning. Do y'all have more than just flowers, or is it just flowers?
If you want to look at it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let the stuff get wet. Do you have any like vintage computer stuff or video games or anything?
No.
No?
We got some, I think it's videos. Well, the book
Oh, like
box
movies
said
and
video.
stuff?
Yeah, it would have been movies, but no.
Right.
Candace, you going in? What you after? Uh-oh.
That's all right.
Oh. What you see under there? You gotta buy something now when you go in there.
I thought I saw some strawberry shortcake, but it's not.
Not strawberry shortcake.
Do not trust this man. He will
What?
swindle you.
Oh gosh.
We're ready for everybody.
How you doing this morning?
Oh my gosh. You're hilarious. Yeah, they're definitely burning styrofoam. We come here last year?
Get the rain off
off of them. I ain't got prices on nothing, guys. Just feel free to look around. If you see anything, I'll price it for you as we go.
Okay.
I didn't get spread out like I wanted to because of that rain.
Speak and spell?
It's wet.
How much are these lenses?
25 piece.
How much?
25 piece.
25 piece? Okay. What you got, Candace?
We bought one of these for the shed for like
Oh, yeah.
key rack or something. Well, this one's great. It's got the
Well, I mean, how much are they?
go find out.
What would I keep on it, though?
Keys.
How much is this?
Take $2 for it.
I'll pay you $2 for that. Go in the shed. 1, 2. There you go, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. What you want for your model right here?
That is Davy Allison's before he, you know, that's what he was driving before he died.
It sounds like the price is going to be expensive now.
Well, I looked on eBay and they're going anywhere from 10 to 30 bucks.
Uh-huh.
So I thought I'd start at 10.
Okay.
That's not worth it to you?
Do what?
That's not worth it to you?
Nah.
Sounds like she's giving you a good deal.
Go ahead. Hey, all yours, dude.
Oh, no. Thank you.
What would you give for it?
I was thinking like $3.
Oh, come on, you do that.
I'm cheap. Nah. I'll let
I
somebody.
think it's worth more. I'll give you 5.
I'll let somebody. Oh, we're gonna bid now?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Get
Are you
a bid
serious?
for it. You can do 6.
Can I do 6? If I gave 6, would you take it?
Oh no, will you do 7?
I want a confirmation.
Where are you at right now? You're at
I'm at
5?
5, yeah. I want to hear him say 6 for sure.
I didn't say 6 yet. I think we have a winner.
You got to call this. You got to call this.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right.
I was
thank
hoping
you.
to get on up there just to at least have.
Whoa. Did you close it already?
No.
Thank you.
And that Bill Elliott had some vintage too. That was his Budweiser that he drove
That's cool.
for years.
You don't have any video games out here, do you? Or like old?
Not the old ones, but there's some PlayStation 2 in the house or 3. Do you want to look at them?
Yeah, sure.
I'll go in and get them.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
We don't have nothing to play them all.
Oh, okay, good. Glad I asked, aren't y'all?
So glad you asked.
It's going to be Major League Baseball.
Oh, really? Okay, let's call this. I think there's gonna be some Spyro, maybe. How much y'all think it's gonna be?
Sports to non-sports.
I think it's gonna be $1 a piece.
It's going to be 80-20. 80 sports. Maybe.
That wasn't gonna be the price. Did she say games or the system too?
She said games. She said we don't have nothing to play them on, so no system. Be interesting to see what she pulls out here.
Yeah. All I know is I'll be ready to outbid you.
Oh boy, here we go. Hey, you ready?
All 3.
You ready? Come on, bring it.
Now's the time to get that out.
Yeah, I will.
Hey, pull out the
But
megaphone.
how much
Pull out
these?
the megaphone.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
Pull out the megaphone.
No. I might actually want to get this deal done. Let's see.
Yeah.
Where we go.
I'll check. Yeah, that's quite good.
Probably more.
You said he's probably got more.
This is my son. He's 24. He don't have nothing to play them on.
Let's see what we got.
I don't know what's in there.
Let's see. We got Revolution Racing. X.
You need to open and see if they're even in there. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
Aria, is that a good one? Aria
I don't think
Sunshine? No. How much you want? Like $1 a piece or something like
I
that?
have no idea. I'm sure I guess $1's good. I don't
Okay.
know.
See which ones I'm gonna get here.
Y'all know, I'm sure, but I don't.
I think $1 is probably pretty fair. That's not the right games for Ratchets. Huh? Ultimate Ninja. Those are interesting. Tell you what, I'm just gonna get the one. If y'all want any of these other ones.
You're
So
just
I
getting that
hadn't
one?
even think about
Yeah.
going through and looking for any of them games, but
There you go.
thank you.
Thank you.
Probably with that.
No, it may be in there. May not be.
What you looking for? Avatar? Appreciate you bringing that out.
Like I said, I'm sure there's more in there. I just haven't looked through nothing. This is my dad's home, and he passed away in January.
Oh,
My grandson
sorry.
was living with him, and he just turned 24. So I was just trying to.
I got 5 of them.
Okay.
I made it worth your while for pulling them out. Like this guy here.
Wow.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Have a good day.
Do you need a bag?
No, thanks.
Wow. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.